With the rapid industrial and economic development, the world is increasingly facing a severe global warming challenge. High energy consumption of conventional chillers used by large air conditioners and industrial production has worsened the environmental deterioration and global warming trend. The maglev chillers, independently developed by CIGU, owing to its high efficiency and energy-saving advantages, have become the preferred solution for the refrigeration industry. Compared to conventional chillers, maglev chillers can save energy by more than 40%. The chiller adopts maglev refrigeration compressors that are independently developed by CIGU, as well as high-speed synchronous permanent magnet motors, magnetic suspension bearings, two-stage compression interstage air supplement technology, and other key technologies. The compressor is completely free of mechanical friction and lubricating oil during operation. The system drive efficiency, transmission efficiency, and aerodynamic efficiency are greatly improved, and the chillers are more energy-saving. Therefore, the operating cost can be significantly reduced. Thanks to its low operating noise, minimum vibration, and routine maintenance-free features, the maglev chiller can offer customers with better user experience. Maglev chillers can be used in large central air conditioning systems such as office buildings, hotels, shopping malls, or industrial production facilities, data centers, and other places that have specific requirements for process and ambient temperature.